Well, I'm very disappointed in the Supreme Court's decision. Speaker Pelosi said during the course of the debate of this law that Congress needed to pass it so that Americans could find out what's in it. Well, today we learned what's in it, and that's a massive new tax increase on Americans, on the families, on small businesses, and people who are even unemployed will now be forced to buy health insurance, or the IRS will be pounding on their door if they don't to collect a fine that's now called a tax. This needs to be replaced, and it needs to be repealed, and I support repeal and replacement. I oppose this law from the beginning because I don't think it's going to do the job to reduce the cost of health insurance, and instead empowers unelected bureaucrats to make the decisions for us, to dictate what kind of health coverage we have. That should be patient-centered. That should be you and your doctor making these decisions, not unelected bureaucrats in Washington. And finally, it rips $500 billion out of Medicare. And for Oregonians, that means your Medicare Advantage is going to take a hit, which means it'll be harder to get access to physicians when you become Medicare eligible. That's bad policy. So we need to repeal this law and replace it with something that we can afford and that works and that reduces the cost of health care, insurance, and increases access.